In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SSH key to Bitwarden. We'll do this entirely in the Bitwarden web vault so you can follow along in your browser. Start by opening the web vault and viewing your vaults page. That's the central place where all your items live and where you'll create the new entry. To begin, click the New button to create an item. When Bitwarden asks for the item type, choose SSH key. Selecting the correct type helps Bitwarden present the right fields and keeps your SSH credentials clearly organized alongside your other secrets. Next, give the item a clear descriptive label. Click into the item name field and type something you'll recognize at a glance later, like the server or project this key belongs to. Thoughtful naming will save you time when you're searching or auditing your vault. If you use folders, choose one from the folder menu to keep things tidy. This step is optional, but it's great for separating personal keys from work keys or grouping items by environment. Consistent structure goes a long way as your vault grows. You'll notice an SSH key section within the item. Open that section to see where the SSH specific details live. Even if you're not adjusting anything here right now, it's helpful to familiarize yourself with this area, since it's where you'll review or update key-related fields in the future. Now, expand additional options to reveal more fields you can use for context. Click into Notes to store non-sensitive information that helps you remember how and where this key is used. Think environment names or maintenance reminders. Keep sensitive values in their designated fields and avoid placing secrets inside general notes. For added protection, enable Master Password Reprompt. Click the Master Password Reprompt option so Bitwarden will ask for your master password before showing this item later. This extra confirmation is especially useful for SSH keys, which are high-value credentials, and it helps prevent accidental exposure if someone briefly has access to your unlocked session. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Save. Bitwarden will create the item and return you to your vault view. From here, you can find the SSH key by searching for its name or browsing the folder you selected. When you access the item in the future, you'll see the same sections you explored, and the reprompt will activate if you enabled it. That's it. You've added an SSH key to Bitwarden using the web vault with clear naming, optional folder organization, helpful notes, and an extra layer of security. Thanks for watching, and keep your credentials safe and organized.